Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into recovery mode. Now before we get started, we will need a cable that you use for charging, and you will need to plug it into your computer. So that can be a MacBook or any kind of Mac device or Windows, it doesn't really matter. From there, once it's connected, let's shut off our device. So pull down the notification panel, tap on the power key and select power off. And once the device turns off, what you want to do is hold power key and volume up, both of them at the same time, so power, volume up. Now if you don't see the phone turning on again, which would be indicated by the Galaxy logo, let go of the keys and start holding them again. And there we go. So from here, once you see the Galaxy logo, you can let go of the power key, but keep holding volume up. And this will take you to the recovery mode. So in here, you will use volume keys to navigate. As you can see, volume down goes down and up goes up, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And going quickly over the options here, we can reboot the device, so this will take us back to Android. Reboot to bootloader, which boots us into bootloader. Apply updates from ADB or SD card. Wipe data, basically formatting of the phone. Wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphic test and local test, and power off the phone along with repairing apps option. Like I said, whatever you select, you will then confirm it with power key. So because I want to leave this mode, I'm going to select reboot system now, power key, and it will initiate a reboot, taking us back to Android. And there we go. As you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.